Hello everyone. Today we are going to take a look at the PIDZOOM or PIDZOOM wireless LED strobe light. This is the RG5 model and it's a set with 4 main LED units and a remote control, and they provide many lights, so it has about 8 colors and 10 flashing modes. So let's take it out of the box. All the accessories that come with it. So you get here the user's manual, you get card for contacting them in case something is not right for support, and there are the 4 LED units. We get here mounting options because they have several type of fixing possibilities, and the remote itself. And we also get here a 4-in-1 USB charging cable because they use rechargeable batteries and they are having USB Type-C charging port. So this is the LED main unit. It has a power button here. It has 2 main LEDs, and on the side here you get the USB charging port, and it has also a rubber seal. To turn it on, you just press this, and the same for all of those. This is for turning them first time, and then we can control them with the remote. For each of the units you are going to get a rubber adapter here. So this is for curved bars, and you get here 2 rubber bands fixing options. You get short ones and long ones. If it's a flat surface, you are just going to remove that. You have here Velcro included, so you can actually stick it to something and then remove it very easy. And now let's power them on for the first time. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we can now control them from here. The remote also has an LED inside, so it shows what it's doing, and I've changed the working mode. As you can see on my mobile phone, the recording is going to look weird because they are in sunshine and they are flickering LEDs, so they are going to make some kind of artifacts and not be very visible. But I'm going to take some photos and other videos also, as you see here, in other conditions, so you can see them. They are really bright. What's very cool about this system of LEDs is that besides controlling them remotely, you can also control them in sync or unsync. The sync is very easy. When you change here the mode, it's going to change the mode for all the LEDs. It's simple. You change the color, it changes for each unit, all of them together. But because each unit has its own power button, from this button, if you tap it once, it's going to change the LED color only for that unit. So here I have green, here I have kind of yellow, orange. Also, if you double tap this, it's going to change the mode only for that LED. So this one is pulsating green, this one is breathing orange, this one is steady red, while here on this part we have a strobing blue. And if you turn them off, you are going to turn all of them off at once. If you turn it back on, they are going to light up a split of a second green. That shows that the battery is full, and then they resume working as you have programmed them. But if I change here the mode, for instance, or the color, if I'm going to change the color, it's going to change the color for each unit, but it's going to change to the next color. So you are keeping the, let's call it unsync, synced. So this is just going to send the command, give me next color, give me next color, give me next color, but not the same color. Now also let's try to reset them. So I'm going to press and hold mode button. Let's see what happens. And now they have reset. They are in the same program, same flashing type and same color. So all of them are simply flashing red right now. As simple as that. Now they are all in sync. What is different on these, they are not perfectly in sync when they are in sync. You don't have a timer, a real clock timer inside, so there is going to be some slight differences between the flashing. They are not going to flash exactly the same, all four of them. So it's going to be a slight delay, milliseconds between them. So one will flash earlier, one will flash a bit later. As you can see, sometimes they match, sometimes are exactly opposite. So this happens between all the four units. And here are all the four units. As you can see, flashing sometimes all together, but they are going to unsync a bit later. Right, and you can change the mode, changes the mode for all of them, as you can see. And the colors, you have plenty of colors. It has orange, yellow, green, light blue, a lot of options including white. And it's nice because if you use them on a bike, you have, for instance, red. You can put steady red on the rear of the bike. You can put a steady white in front of the bike, and you can put some side lights, make them orange, make you a lot more visible during nighttime. With a runtime of up to 120 hours, you can definitely use them in a lot of situations, not only on your bike, but you can also fix it on something like an ATV or another type of vehicle, even on your car in case of emergency at nighttime. You can put them to flash, make it more visible. You can fix it on a helmet. There are plenty of options, and with the remote it's very nice because you don't have to activate each one of them or to change the mode or colors or whatever. You are just going to turn them on and change whatever you want remotely from this tiny thing, which also has its own rubber padding here and velcro strap, so you can fix it very easy. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have any kind of questions about this product, just leave a comment below and I'm going to try to answer you as fast and as best as possible. Until my next video, see you and bye bye.